Yeah, I just wanted to say that we discovered also that 600 liras is like nothing in riyals.
Yeah, good discovery. We are ordering Albaik now. Chicken fillet. Excuse me. So we're gonna do a mukbang on Albaik. Assalamualaikum everybody.
Assalamualaikum friends.
Okay.
So now we headed towards the
Clock tower.
Clock tower. Yeah.
We're trying to find Al Mada, which
Yeah.
is
There's a
restaurant
Yeah.
in Arabic.
Do you know what type of food they serve there?
Yeah, I'm not clear.
Well, let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, I think there is one. There's Albaik in Clock Tower as well. We're going to see if the prices are any different and if it's expensive.
Exactly.
We might just visit and not eat anything, but we might
Yeah,
eat.
it depends.
Yeah, it depends on the prices really.
Exactly.
We just want to see the view from up there.
Yeah, that's the most important thing.
Yeah, important thing. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we just go straight, Jeddah, which is straight in Arabic. We go straight and then left to enter the clock tower.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, because this is one of the attractions that we came here for.
Yeah.
Kind of, you know.
Yeah.
After, of course.
Kaaba.
Yeah.
The Umrah, obviously.
So
Yes. Let's see how it goes. We have found the entrance now. It looks like a car parking, but apparently there is a way in, like on the right. Let's see. Just the second sports bike I've seen is Zamzam Pullman Makkah, whatever that means. Anyways, after asking around, this should be the entrance to the clock tower. Okay, we are now waiting for the elevator. Taking out the chings, some real.
yeah.
And now we're heading to the top.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that we discovered also that 600 liras is like nothing in riyals.
Yeah, good discovery. 600 lira, nothing in
Exactly.
reals.
Yeah.
It's like 50 something real.
Exactly, we had those money because we had a trip to Turkey, like
Yeah.
just like in October, and after the trip we still have like left some money, and we tried to give those money. We tried to be smart and
Yeah.
to exchange those money, but it was just so less money.
Yeah,
How
so
much?
so we'll have to use Swedish krona for the exchange because it's basically no money.
Exactly.
Okay, we're gonna go for the top. Let's see how far we can go. The Saudi Arab Kings. I think this is like a information counter or something. Bunaka Kisita. Ooh, look at me. Hello there. Heading towards M2 counter. It's like a balcony.
Yeah.
M2 floor.
M4?
M2 floor.
M2 floor. And apparently you can see Kaaba from that
Yeah, let's see if
area.
that's true.
Let's see if that's true. The information counter guy said that it was true. Hopefully, because inshallah you'll see it from up top. As you can see, we're completely alone. I have no idea why. Are we in like a restricted area or something? Kind of scared. Okay, so the guy said, the information counter guy said it was lying. See Kaaba from M2 floor. So we're gonna go B30 floor, which is like a 13th floor, which is like a restaurant. Let's see.
So
Hopefully,
the thing that the guy said before wasn't true.
yeah, he lied. He lied to us. Restaurant guy said we
well-
can't see it from here.
Yeah, but okay.
He gave us new instructions, which I honestly were kind of unsure about. I think he's just saying it.
Hey, should we ask the reception guy, the one we asked the price from?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Can you go?
Look at this. Okay, anyway, so the new instructions said that you have to go to P10 prayer area to be able to see Kaaba. I'm not sure what. Let's see what comes next. Wait, do you want to take a picture with the camels? Wait. Ooh, look at the camels. If only they were real. Wait, I'll take a picture of you. Nice, you look good. Ruffles. I wonder what that is. It's
Good smell.
okay. Ooh, yeah, maybe it's like a perfume area. Okay, so we're gonna enter an elevator for the P10 floor and pray. And inshallah,
Inshallah.
hopefully we'll see Kaaba.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah. Okay. See, it looks empty compared to the other floors.
Let's see where's the mains.
Yeah.
This is the ruins.
Oh, maybe.
Pretty much.
Oh, I guess we'll have to be separated. So we checked the area. There's a prayer like going on right now and it's too crowded. So we can't possibly see Makkah. We're gonna go and eat food first and then hopefully we'll be able to see. Okay, we got some bad news. Sorry guys, can't see the Kaaba today because we left a little nephew at home and we can't possibly wait for like 2 hours. It's 12:30 right now and the prayer ends at like 2:30. So that'll be 2 hours. We can't possibly wait that long. So we're just gonna go ahead and eat some Albaik and then inshallah go back to the hotel. Let's say inshallah again. We'll see Makkah in a few days, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Look at this massive area, man. This is huge. Okay, we asked where Albaik is and we got Albaik in the house, baby. Okay, let's see what we can eat, huh? Okay, you can see Kaaba, you can see Haram from here, but unfortunately you can't see the Kaaba. Look at all the people praying. So unfortunately not today. Inshallah we'll see Kaaba from up top in the next few days. Here's a better view of Haram. You can see all of the people praying. MashaAllah. See, you can even see Albaik in the reflection. Okay, so that right there was the terrace, like the balcony. That a better view of Haram.
Yeah.
Not from the dirty windows. We are ordering Albaik now. Chicken fillet. Excuse me. Combo. Ramadan combo one. One combo. Okay. Okay, where do we get it? Okay, so we got 4 like double burgers and 1 fries. I think we're number B252, 52. There are a lot of numbers, so it will take a while. Okay, we got the food. Now we just need to find a table to eat. I see a lot of empty spaces. Hopefully it shouldn't be a problem. Okay.
So now we got the food.
Have you, do you know about mukbang?
What is it?
Mukbang. You know about mukbang? Mukbang is like videos where you just record yourself eating.
Alright, so that's called that.
Yeah, so
By the way, this is already recording.
yeah, no. So we're gonna do a mukbang on Albaik. Okay. Wait, take out your burger.
take a bite. So what is this called, this burger?
I think it's like a double burger or something.
How do you like it? I've never tasted anything like this before.
Yeah, it's different. I think let's just compare it to KFC since it's the closest.
I just like it because it's really filled with chicken.
Yeah, but I think I prefer KFC more because of their chicken. I think they have nuggets in this burger. Also forgot to show, we are sitting right next to Haram, eating some Albaik.
Albaik.
It's basically like Saudi like Arabic KFC. It's good, right? So it's not bad at all.
I really like it.
Yeah. Okay, we are leaving Albaik. Alright, I think we're gonna leave the clock tower as well. Okay, bye. Let's rate Albaik on a scale of 10, okay?
I would say at least 7.5. Like,
Really?
yeah.
5 is an easy answer, like it's in the
I
middle.
know, it's almost 8, but I'm not sure if I would give like a 9.
Yeah, okay, so the best fast food I've ever had is KFC. So if I'm comparing it to that, I think, I'm sorry, Albaik fans, I think I would give it a 6. Yes. I harsh, yes, I know, but I don't know, I expected it to be more crunchy.
Yeah, I know, that's the thing.
Yeah, which it was what it wasn't.
Also given it like,
More points, yeah.
It was not a double one. It was a double one. It was not a single
Yeah,
one.
exactly, and it looked so much bigger in like a picture. It looks so much bigger, but it wasn't big at all.
If you would have taken a single one, it would have been even worse.
Yeah, there was a smaller version. Can you imagine how small that would be? I mean, still, we got. Yeah, it is what it is. No, it's not. It's not a bad burger. It's a pretty good. As you can see, Albaik gave it a higher rating. So, if you want an average burger, then sure, go for Albaik.
by the way, we're going.
Okay, sure. Okay, okay. That'll be it for Clock Tower then.
Let's go.
Okay.
I love this.
Okay. Wow. People are so nice in Makkah. Look at this. What is happening to our face? Okay, let's go. Okay. We are exiting. Look at this. Okay, people are praying. I think they're praying tahajjud right now. That'll be it for part 4 of the Umrah vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And yeah, stay tuned because more videos are coming soon. Allah Hafiz and see ya.